Welcome to this demonstration. Today I'm going to be showing you how I produce a eucalyptus and mint hydrosol, which can be used as a room spray, for linen spray, just as refreshing aroma that you can breathe, helps your sinuses. I'm using my traditional copper Alembic still, and we're going to be doing some steam distillation. To start with, what I have to do is remove the minaret dome, take that off, and I'll be removing this column, which you only need when you're doing your essential oils, but because I'm doing my eucalyptus today, I'm going to be removing this. I'm taking the extension column off. To get started, what you've got to do is gather your eucalyptus plant material with the mint and strip the leaves down and build up. In this pot here, I have eucalyptus up to about this level here, and I've just covered it with some water to keep it spongy, but just covering the plant material. So I've got my gas going. I have my condenser bucket, which is full of water and ready to go. I'm just going to put my minaret dome back on top of the pot and connect it to the condenser. And tighten that down. So I'm also going to be applying just a very small strip of insulation tape. This is a heat resistant tape, and it's just going to block any steam from sneaking out of that join at the top of the still, because we want to keep as much of this beautiful aroma steam as we can. What's going to happen is that as this heats up to around about 100 degrees, the steam will rise up through the minaret dome here, down through the swan's neck, down through the coils and the condenser bucket. So as the steam cools and condenses in the condenser bucket, it will start coming out as a hydrosol, and we can collect it in this beaker. I've put a little filter on the top to collect any dust and debris that may transfer through with the steam, and hopefully this will start to process very soon. Thanks for joining me today, watching this beautiful traditional process of making a eucalyptus and mint hydrosol. If you like my video, please subscribe. I'll be doing other steam distillations with other plant material, including making my essential oils.